And the former India cricketer Ravi Shastri has hit back at Michael Vaughan for even suggesting that VVS Lakshman applied Vaseline to mask the edge from the hotspot technology. He spoke exclusively to Times Now on Vaughan's dirty allegation.
There's plenty happening at the Trent Bridge test and most of it happening off the field. Ravi, your take on the Vaseline controversy that's struck place here?
I know. I was asked this morning, what do you think about it being told that Vaseline on the edge of the bat, and, former England captain had made that statement. All I said is if he's made that statement, he knows he's probably done it himself in the past. Otherwise, how else would anyone know that you should put Vaseline on your bat and you might get away with the hot spot? That's all I said.
And also targeting VVS Lakshman. Now, VVS Lakshman has been one guy who has done really well against England. Is that a thought after plan?
I don't think so. I think it was on the spur of the moment, and VVS was very clear. Moment the ball went past that, he was clear in his mind that he had not hit anything, and that's why he stood his ground. And rightly so, as we saw in hotspot, nothing showed up.
Words on Michael Vaughan. Now, he is a responsible guy. He's a former England captain. Is it right on his part to make such comments, that too against a player like VVS Lakshman, who we know plays in spirit of cricket?
I hope it was done jokingly, and it was done in a way that was joking. Because if it was serious, then it's very unbecoming of someone of his status and caliber.
And also this series has sort of just taken an ugly turn with all these things happening. Also Nasir Hussain sort of adding fuel to the fire, talking about DRS, and now BCCI is not accepting it.
Well, people are entitled to their opinions. I was entitled to mine, and I said that very clearly. I said hot spots become cold spot over the last 2 test matches. It's not fired. There's been mistakes made, and which clearly shows that's the reason why the BCCI didn't accept it, because it's not foolproof. There could still be mistakes made. Until it becomes foolproof, why should they accept everything on the DRS? So they're perfectly entitled to. Nasir can have his own opinion. I can have my own opinion too.
And is it also because, it's the number one side, they're sort of leading a fight back against England at their home ground? Is that also one of the reasons that things are happening?
Well, these things can happen in the field of sport. But what I say when I pick up the newspapers, what I said yesterday, sometimes when you read it, you feel that people just can't stomach the fact that India are the number one team in the world. They are the World Cup champions. They've got the richest board in the world, the Board of Control for Cricket in India. They've got a great IPL at the moment, a great property. Can't accept it.
And the way the series have panned out, today we saw Ian Bell's decision. What do you reckon about that? Pretty casual on Ian Bell's part to just walk off?
Absolutely. And, I was asked what I would do in that scenario. I would have said he would have been having a cup of tea in the dressing room. He would have stayed out. So it's commendable on Dhoni's part. It's a brave decision, to call him back. And let's hope England reciprocated in some way in the series.
Yeah, that's what I was asking you. Do you think with the way current scenario is going, the way English players are, would it be reciprocated or would it be too costly for India?
Well, we'll have to wait and watch. If you get another instance like this, what happens if the shoe was on the other foot? But like I mentioned, if I had anything to do with it, if I was captain, Mr. Bell, you can have a cup of coffee.
And going back to the Vaseline gate that everyone back home in India is speaking about, have you heard of any instances like this that have happened with players using something like Vaseline to sort of reduce the impact of hotspot?
No clue whatsoever. That's why I said I heard it for the first time. So obviously, if someone's speaking about it, he's done it. He's been in that situation before. So I don't. It's new.